Ferrari's recent quarterly report unveils significant changes to its lineup. After 5 years, the SF90 Stradale, Ferrari's first hybrid and a pivotal model, has ended production. The SF90 Spider, its convertible counterpart, remains available. The SF90 Stradale, powered by a 986 horsepower 4.0-liter V8 and 3 electric motors, has no direct successor in the lineup. However, the mid-engine 296 GTB, with its 819 horsepower V6 hybrid powertrain, is positioned as a spiritual successor. Albeit with rear-wheel drive only, the 812 GTS, the convertible version of the 812 Superfast, also says farewell. Its successor, the 12-cylindry, recently debuted, boasting 819 horsepower, matching the performance of the track-focused 812 Competizione. The new model accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, reaches 124 miles per hour in 7.9 seconds, and exceeds a top speed of 211 miles per hour. The Roma, another model introduced in 2019, is nearing the end of its production cycle. While the 812 Competizione's production run is sold out, orders for the Roma are still being accepted. Ferrari's bestsellers, the Roma Spider, Purosangue SUV, and 296, continue to drive sales. Alongside limited editions like the Daytona SP3 and customer versions of the 499p Modificata. Ferrari's financials are strong, with Q2 2024 revenues and profits surpassing the previous year by 2.7%, thanks to increased deliveries. Exciting future releases include a rumored new hypercar, possibly named the F250, expected by year-end, and Ferrari's first battery electric model. Anticipated next year,